November might have been a cool month, but that was not the case around the world. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko working for you with just how warm this past November was across the globe.
Well, according to NOAA, November was the 5th warmest on record. Here in the United States, this past November was cooler than average. In fact, we had even significant snowstorm that affected us here in western Massachusetts. But that was not the case across the globe. The average November temperature was 1.35 degrees above the 20th century average of 55.2 degrees, and tied with 2004 and 2016 is the 5th highest for November since records began back in 1880. For the year to date, from January through November, it has been the 4th warmest year on record so far, with the average global temperature of 1.39 degrees. That's above the 20th century average of 57.2 degrees. After a cold start, it was a bit milder out there this afternoon. Let's check in now with 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Brian Lapis to find out if we have even warmer temperatures on the way this week. Brian?
Yeah, that's right, Adam. In fact, the warmest day of the week is going to be the first day of winter, Friday, when we could hit 60 degrees.